First, locate the air filter housing under the hood, near the front of the engine bay. It's a black plastic box secured by two metal clamps. Ensure the engine is off and the key is removed. Use a screwdriver or socket wrench to release the housing clamps. Lift the lid and carefully extract the old filter. Inspect the housing for debris and clean it with compressed air if needed. Common mistake to avoid: forgetting to seal the housing, which could introduce contaminants. Take your new air filter, such as the GM AC Delco AF2047 or equivalent. Insert the new filter into the housing, ensuring the rubber seal faces down and the arrows on the filter point toward the engine. Replace the lid of the housing and securely fasten the clamps. Start the engine briefly to check for any leaks or abnormal sounds. Reset any maintenance reminders via the vehicle's infotainment system. Filters should be inspected every 15,000 to 30,000 miles. Installing the filter upside down is a common mistake that leads to poor airflow and reduced fuel efficiency, so be sure to install it in the correct direction.